In this video, I will not test the best outdoor PTZ IP camera, but what I will do is test one of the cheapest. My name is Chris, and welcome to Security Bros. If you're looking for a cheap outdoor PTZ Wi-Fi IP camera, then this might be the one for you. I got this on AliExpress and I paid $37, including shipping, which is very affordable. The one I bought is branded as Bester or Bestir or however it's pronounced, but you will find this camera being sold under many other brand names as well, even on Amazon. It is a 2 megapixel camera that records in 1080p. You can pan the camera 320 degrees and tilt it 90 degrees, and it has 4 times digital zoom. Some features it supports are two-way audio, motion detection and alarm function, OnVIF 2.0, SD card up to 128 GB and cloud service if you want to use that. And you can watch everything through an app on your smartphone and get push notifications when motion is detected. You can also access the camera from your computer. So in the box we get the camera, power adapter, a user manual, antenna, piece of rubber for mounting, screwdriver and a bag of screws with anchors. The first impression is that the camera feels very cheaply made, which it is of course, it's all made of plastic. But I guess that's expected for a PTZ camera for only $37. Another thing is it's really small. If we compare it with this Foscam PTZ camera, you can really see how small it is. The camera have 4 white LED lights and 3 infrared lights, so you can choose between normal black and white IR night vision, or you can use the so-called smart night vision, which means the white LED lights will light up the area, so the camera can record in full color even at night. And this camera uses a 3.6mm lens, and I think that's the only one available. To insert the SD card, we need to open up this little cover with the included screwdriver. There is no sealing on the cover, so I guess water could get in here, but very unlikely, since the cover is most of the time under the camera. And the camera is supposed to have IP66 rating, which means it should be weatherproof. And if we open up the top of the camera, we can see that there is a sealing, and on the antenna there is some kind of red silicone sealing or something like that. So I don't think any water or dust will get in here. I had no problem connecting to the camera, and it only took a couple of minutes to have it up and running. The first thing we need to do is download an app called YCC365 Plus, which can be found on Google Play Store or App Store depending on what device you're using. And then we need to create a new user account. When that's done and we are logged in, we can click on the plus icon in the top right corner and then click on Intelligent Camera. Here we have 3 different options. I used Add Device by scanning QR code, but you can also connect to the camera using a network cable. Click on Connect to Network and add your Wi-Fi. Now you should see a QR code that we need to hold in front of the camera lens. When the camera have successfully scanned the QR code, you will hear 2 beep and a voice saying, "Please wait for Wi-Fi connecting." It might take a minute or so, and when it's done you will hear, "Internet connected. Welcome to use cloud camera." Okay, so now when we are connected to the camera, let's check what settings we have in the app. On the main screen we have the PTZ controls, and the small symbol to your right is for adding preset points, and to the left you have the pan tilt reset button. Above it you have video playback, and then we have alarm settings, change video quality, push to talk, sound, record button, and cloud album, and last the button to turn on and off white LED lights. Up in the right corner we have the settings menu. Here you can change the camera name, add time zone, turn on and off the camera. You can set a schedule when you want the camera to turn on and off. You can turn off the microphone, alarm tone, turn on and off night vision or keep it automatic. Flip the screen, share, turn motion detection and sound detection on or off, and change if you want to play videos from the memory card or the cloud. You might need to format the SD card before using it, which you can do here as well. And this is how it looks like at daytime with the highest image quality. And as you can see, it isn't that great, but you also have to remember this camera only cost $37. And the car you see over there is maybe 25 meters away from the camera, and you can't read a license plate even at 4x zoom. And on my neighbor's black pickup across the street, I had to blur the license plate since you could actually read it. Since I have a street light just across the street, it never gets really dark here, but this is as dark as it gets, and this is without any night vision on. And this is with the white LEDs on. They are actually kinda strong, way stronger than I thought they would be. And this is with IR night vision on. And I think that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I hopefully see you in the next one. Over and out.